So it is April Fool, and you know what, like there's not much to do these days, so I'm gonna prank my wife. I'm gonna go steal her car. Right there at the end. That's gonna be funny. $25. That's her parking spot, and now she's parked there. Now when she wakes up, I'm gonna tell her that we need to go to the grocery store or whatever, and we'll see how long I can keep a straight face.
Maybe I'll do more. Her and her husband are going out in public with respirator masks on.
So?
Is it just me or is my truck not there?
I don't know. But I don't know. I can't keep a straight face.
What the fuck?
It's across the street. Oh. She was just looking at the truck like, my truck's supposed to be there, and I was like, oh, that's weird. I'm not very good at this.
We just showed up at the grocery store and it's surprisingly busy. I'm not sure what's going on with the stay at home, says the guy that's not at home. But yeah, we're gonna try to find out something healthy to eat for supper.
Yes. That's the plan.
I'm just... Good deal on Mickey waffles.
27 grams.
Those look super good. But we're healthy. Yes, we are.
We're gonna need that for tonight.
So tonight for supper, we're doing low calories, low carb chicken fried rice. It's gonna be good. I gotta say, so far it looks and smells pretty good, so we're gonna go for the taste test. Now for once, Tracy did wait for me. Very hot. Very good though. Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's
so
very good.
Recipe is gonna be down below, and now we're gonna watch this. What are we watching?
Tiger King that everyone raves about.
Yeah, everyone's talking about it, so now I feel like I have to watch it.
Yeah.
See you guys later. Today I got a delivery and I just realized that it's the second time that I get a supplement delivery from bodybuilding.com while I can't go to the gym. But I got the usual, some Kaged pre-workout, intra-workout, and post-workout. And some doubles, and isolate. Now I really need to stop ordering supplements. Except if they have a really good deal. Tracy, what's for breakfast?
Ramen.
And then last time when Tracy and I went to Peggy's Cove and I was trying to film outside, I realized that the sound when it's windy, it's really bad. It's like don't want that. So I got this Boya microphone that we're gonna try. So here it is, my new pet. Her name is Furry. No, it's the new microphone. I don't think it's gonna make like a huge difference. To be honest, it's only for when I film outside and it's windy, it's gonna stop being like and me trying to talk over the wind. So hopefully it's gonna be good. So now like every morning, let's do a workout.
So now it's time to do some cardio. It's raining outside, so basically I'm just gonna go up and down the stairs for about 20 minutes. So that is it for me today workout wise. Now we're gonna go like take a shower, shave, put some nice clothes on for absolutely no reason, just to feel good. Because in the current situation, literally anything can help my mood. There you go, took a shower, shaved, did my hair. I'm wearing some non-baggy clothes, and sometimes this is the only thing you need to feel a little bit better even when you're stuck in quarantine. Can you hear that? That's the hair dryer. That means Tracy's doing the same thing for no reason. So that's it. Now we're all dressed up, and yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. We're probably gonna again go to the grocery store and plan something cool for supper. Yeah, that's pretty much the only thing we have to do right now, like eating, training in the morning and eating. I know it's not very entertaining. Like I have so many ideas for like all these cool vlogging video I can make for you guys, and right now I can't. If you guys have ideas, or like, you know, if there's anything specific that does not require me to go too far for one of the vlog, if you guys have ideas, please let me know in the comment down below. That would be amazing. By the way, I just hooked up the new microphone. Can you tell the difference? Let me know also, because I'm kind of curious, because actually like the main reason why I bought it, like I told you guys before, is for outside, because when there's wind, like this little moo thing should help a lot. So anyway, see you guys later. Probably. Now that we look all nice.
What did we do?
It's nice to dress up to watch TV.
Feel like a person.
Let's go to the grocery store. And
Again.
Yeah, it's the only thing we can do, and then we can figure out like something cool to make tonight. Again. This is gonna be like, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Dave. Okay, let's go to the grocery store. So at least today outside is kind of gross, so it doesn't make me want to go like spend my entire day outside. So I that's good. Tracy, why are you so happy?
I'm tired.
Yeah, the weather is terrible, so we're just gonna go to the grocery store and probably Best Buy after, because we're gamers now apparently.
So I'm at the grocery store and I decided to pick up stuff to make some salmon burgers.
Get the essential salmon that we're gonna make on the barbecue. Get some buns, get an onion, and then we're gonna make a sauce at home. Tracy's a trooper. She's going in line and she just got skipped by a dude. Oh no. Stay strong, Tracy. Stay strong. I kind of feel bad, but meh.
So salmon burgers tonight, guys, and the salmon is on the barbecue. It's a big piece, but it's gonna be good. While the salmon is on the barbecue, we're gonna make a nice little sauce to put in the burger. That's gonna be super good. So let's go see how the salmon is doing on the barbecue. Ooh, it's not in the plant. It's getting there. Looks good, smells amazing. Can you guys smell it through the camera? Can you smell it? No? Oh. So that is ready. Tracy's cutting the avocados. It's a big onion.
Just
It's
a little bit.
almost as big as your face. And taste test. It's probably gonna like, it's huge.
Fall
It's gonna
apart.
be messy and fall apart. Whatever. Oh yeah. Very good. So recipe down below. So now that we're kind of like out of options of like things to do, Tracy actually decided that she wanted to play video game, but not like those crazy like, you know, war video game. No, we're downloading right now Crash Bandicoot. It's like throwback when I was a kid. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do now.
And because we're an old married couple, cheers, it's tea.
It says my name on it. It's hot.
Yeah, it's tea. I can't get the boxes. Oh, whoa, whoa. No!
So that is it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little home vlog, little workout, few recipes for you guys. There's not much else I can do right now. So yeah, today is gross outside again. So I'm gonna do pretty much the exact same thing, and I'm sure you guys saw my face enough for now. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like as it really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next one.